Hi, and now I'm just going to demonstrate kind of quickly for you how to make a quick PDF file whether you're using a Mac or a PC. Now I'm going to start with the Mac because I'm sure there's not as many of you using it. Here's a Pages document, and if I'm going to make a PDF with a Mac, it's pretty straightforward. Go to File, Export, and there's your option, Save as a PDF. So just click it, and you'll get your usual introductory, I'll save it there, I'll save it with that format, and then it will ask you where do you want to put it. Make sure you know you want to put it. I'm going to put it on the desktop. Export, and there it is, creating it. Now if I close this, let's see, there it is. So there's my PDF of my document in Pages, and that's what I want sent to me when you send your assignments, or if you do anything that involves work in my class, please send it as a PDF. Alright, now if you're in a PC, if you're using a Word document, well, it's slightly different. As you can see, I've saved it as how to make a PDF. And if I move over here a little bit, there it is right there on my desktop. Now if I want to make my document here into a PDF, I go to Save, or go to File, Save As. Now my interface when I click here might look different than it will on yours with a PC format, but it's a Word document. My interface will be a Mac interface on how it saves something as. Yeah, it has to think. I have an older Mac here, and it has to think because I've just finished using Pages. And so there's the document. I'm going to put it into desktop. I'm going to save it. Now here's where I got to change it. See how it's a DOCX down here? If I click over here, you'll have a similar format. I can go down to PDF. I'm going to save it as a PDF on my desktop. Save. Well, there's already a, yeah. I'm going to have it replaced, don't worry. I'm going to replace. This now is going to become, wait for it, there we go, the PDF version of my PC. See there, it says Save As, select PDF. That's all you need to do. So that's how you make a PDF, whether you're using a PC or a Mac. Please make sure that all documents you send to me are in the PDF format. That's how I prefer to have them. It makes it a lot simpler, and I don't have to worry about what age is your software to get a Word document or a Pages document. Send it as a PDF, and I'll see it exactly as you've made it, and there's no configuration issue at all between your computer and my computer. It'll enable me to see it and therefore mark it. If you send me a Word document or a Pages document or some other format of document, I will not be marking it. So please post as a PDF. Alrighty there. I hope that was helpful and easy. Bye now.